How to delete Pinterest account. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Pinterest app on your phone. Then you want to go ahead and tap on your profile that is on the bottom right corner. Tap on your profile that is on the top left corner again. Then tap on the gear icon on the top right corner. Now here, under account, you want to go ahead and tap on account management. On the very last option, you can see delete your data and account. Tap on it. Go ahead and tap on continue. A pop-up will appear where you want to select the reason why are you leaving. Tap on send email. Now an email will be sent to the Gmail in which your Pinterest app is linked with. Now you want to go ahead and tap on the email. And here you can see even if you have deleted your account, it would take 14 days more to actually delete your account. For that, first you want to go ahead and tap on yes delete account. As you do that, your account will be deleted after 14 days. So that is how you can do it. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.